Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding men collection. Men crochet jacket designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of men crochet jacket design. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Those men who loves to wear such type of jacket designs, crochet jacket designs, beautiful designing ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful jacket designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful jacket designs in the birthday party, wedding party, when you go school, college or university or office. Very beautiful crochet jacket design. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.